showing you how advanced technology is in our new screen paint. This right here is our ECLIPSE Ultra 4K Supreme Cinema using smart technology gain ×9, a very powerful gain. Has color enhancement technology. Keep in mind my window is open. I have light cascading in. I have my condensed lighting coming right down on top of the screen. And as you see, you're losing no color whatsoever. Now, for those who don't know, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens, of course using smart technology gain. Now, as you see in this demonstration, I don't have to have the environment completely dark. I don't have to have it in a shadow-like environment. My screen does not have to block my windows. I'm not using any form of blackout curtains. I'm letting all the natural light that's outside filter into the home. I'll sit back here in the dining room. And I can see my screen crystal clear all the way from here. Looks absolutely fantastic. This is what we mean by the screen paint challenge. We can do this easily on our technology. You see our screens do not hide from the light. Very simple and basic demonstration. We got a projector 14 feet from the screen. Those are the sloughs. 14 feet from the screen. This is our everyday lighting. So we have options. We have the option whether we're going to use ours with the lights on or the lights off. Now I'm going to come over here. Shut my blinds. And we'll take the lights out. And that's somebody giving me a call. Like a customer. I'll call them right back after I get done the demonstration. Let's see if we can move this a little bit. There we go. I'll call them back after the demonstration. As I said, these screens look incredible. With the lights on, with the lights off, they are breathtaking. Now my screen is 178 inches, 235.1 on the short throw. As a matter of fact, if I do this and switch the option onto my menu, I'm gonna go back a bit. Hold on for a minute. So I can pull this back a bit. All right, so we'll pull this back a bit. Oops, I think I paused it. Yeah, there we go. Now, right now we're doing 16.9. I'm going to hit the menu. I'm going to go down to 235.1. So there we are. That is 235.1 right there. This is what the screen would look like in 235.1. Now, in order for me to obtain the entire screen in 235.1, I got to use the short throw. That's 235.1. My blinds, turn my lights on. go. Now my screen does 140 inches, about 140 inches in 16:9. And if I switch it over to 235.1 on a short throw, I'll get 178 inches. Sorry about that, 235.1. Okay, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens, of course using smart technology gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration, just showing you how amazing these screens are. The time we have now mind you, I did this demonstration early in the morning with the window. Now we're at around about 3 in the evening. About 3 in the evening with the window open. And look at our screen. Well, thank you all for your time.